Yes, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Whether the screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. White screen is visible.
Okay. So, in the last class, I had given one problem. Have you solved that one? You have to determine the value of P when P is horizontal and when P is inclined. One case I have solved when P was in a horizontal direction. And another case I had given you homework for the when P is inclined. Have you solved anyone? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir. Try किया है but नहीं छूटा sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So this is one. This is one block and this is another block, and it was tied. So this is a block A and this is a block B. Okay. So some students were asking yesterday why you have taken normal force downward direction. Okay, I will explain now. So I will consider first free body diagram of A. Okay, this is next. I will consider free body diagram of B. Okay, so for the free body diagram of A, so P in force P is inclined, correct? Okay, so I will consider the free body diagram of B. When you apply the force P in the horizontal direction, okay, this is the P force. So this is the P. Now the body is moving in this direction. The weight of this body is 2000 Newton and weight of this body is 1000 Newton. Okay, when the body is moving in this direction, how will be the nature of the friction? Friction is left direction. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Friction is in this direction and the normal reaction is in the upward direction. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So again, when the body is moving in this direction, this body will not move. Body is in this direction. When the B body is moving in this direction, the force in this cable is in this direction. Hence, the body A is in this direction. When this force is applied in this direction, cable is applied in this direction, then the body is moving in this direction. Then the friction of this body is in this direction friction. Okay. When this body is moving in this direction, the friction is opposite. This is the friction. Is it correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
So when A body is resting on a B, the normal reaction is upward direction. Correct? Normal reaction is upward. Normal reaction is upward. So this upward reaction is developed because of weight of the body A, and also if at all some other forces are acting in the inclined or vertical direction, this is created. And so there is a 2000 Newton body. Okay, इसके ऊपर A का weight भी acting. Is it correct? The weight of the block A is also acting on the weight on the body B. So I am not considering this weight. I am considering directly normal reaction which is acting downward. Normal reaction which is acting downward. Because this normal reaction is due to the weight 1000 Newton, and also if there are any other loads which are in vertical direction, that is also resembles the normal reaction only. इसके लिए मैंने directly I have taken the value of normal reaction. Okay, so what is this one? This is the tension. This is tension force. What is this one? This is F1 and this is N1. Okay, N1. Okay, next, what is this one? This is same F1 only. This is same F1. This is F1 and this is N2 and this is F2. Okay, so first, in order to find out the P value, you have to consider the free body diagram of block B. and you have to consider free body diagram of block A. Okay, we have considered first one. First, we have considered the free body diagram of block A. Here we found out the value of P, value of F1, and value of N1. And by considering the free body diagram of block B, okay, F1 and N1 is known. We have to find out F2 and N2 by applying the equilibrium conditions. So again, if you apply the equilibrium conditions, sigma Fx is equal to 0, you will find out the value of P. Okay. So in the second case, we have to find out when the value of P is inclined. When the value of P is inclined. So what I will do, I will take the same figure only. Instead of horizontal, I will apply the inclined force. Okay, I will apply the inclined force. So this is the inclined force. How much the inclined force? That is P. It is P, and it is inclined at an angle of angle कितना है वो उसका?
30 degree.
30
degree.
degree. Horizontal. So this is 30 degree. So I will consider this is a P. This is a P. This is 30 degree. Okay. Here also you have to do the same thing. First you have to find out the free body diagram of A. Again you have to find out free body diagram of B. So in the previous case, so in the exam he will ask anyone, case 1 or case 2. So here I have already solved the case 1. So from the case 1, so case B, when what is that one? When P is inclined, when P is inclined, when P is inclined. Okay, when P is inclined, so this is free body diagram of free body diagram. So what is the value of N? N1 is how much? Because N1 का effect नहीं change नहीं होता. N1 and F1 is will be same. N1 from the case A, what is the N1?
1000.
1000.
Okay, before writing that one, I will write one sentence. Okay. Free body diagram for this case is shown in figure. I will take this is figure C. This is figure C. So this is figure initially figure A, and second one is figure B. That is figure B is free body diagram of first case and free body diagram of second case. This is okay. FBD of this case is as shown in figure C. Okay, here also N1 is equal to 1000, correct? 1000 Newton.
Yes, sir.
And what is the F1 and F1? F1 is equal to 250 Newton.
250 Newton. Yes, sir.
Okay, 250 Newton. So आपको समझ में आएगा ना? Why I have taken same value? Because when you apply the sigma fx and sigma fy, you will get the same thing. Okay, because I have calculated those values in the case A. That's why I have taken as it is. Next, so consider equilibrium of block B. Consider equilibrium of block B. Okay, of block B. So I have to find out the P value. In order to find out the value of P, what value I should know? Sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0. Okay, so I will apply sigma fy is equal to 0. Sigma fy is equal to 0. What is sigma fy is equal to 0? Can you tell me? What is sigma fy is equal to 0? Yes, sigma fy equal to 0 मतलब क्या है? So algebraic sum of all the forces which are moving in a vertical direction is equal to 0. Correct?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so consider only free body diagram of B. Now tell me what are the forces which are moving in vertical direction? Yes, tell me.
N2.
N2 is moving in which direction? N2 is moving in
Upward.
Upward.
Upward direction.
upward direction. So I will write plus N2. Okay. Plus
Minus
N2.
N1.
Plus N2. Next.
Minus N1.
Minus N1. Okay. Next.
Minus 2000 Newton.
Yes. Very good. Minus 2000 Newton. Okay. Out.
Or P sin 30.
Yes.
Sin
Plus
30.
plus P or minus P?
Plus
Yes.
Plus
Good.
Plus
Plus
P.
P sin
Sin 30.
30 is equal to 0. Okay. So here N2, is it known? N2? I don't know the value of N2. N1, is it known? Yes, I know the N1 from this equation. Okay. N1 is 1000. So minus 1000. Next minus 2000. Next sin 30 means how much? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So I will
Yes,
take
sir.
it is 0.5 P is equal to 0. So I will write N2 is equal to 1000 plus 2000, 3000. So I will transfer this 3000 to the right hand side. That is 3000 minus 0.5 P. I will take this is equation number 1. Is it understood? Equation number 1, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From laws of mechanics, what is the value of F2? F2 is equal to mu2 into N2. Is it correct?
Mu2
F2
into
is equal
N2.
to
Yes, sir.
mu2 into N2. What is the value of mu2? Mu2 means it is block B and floor. It is given 1 by 3, correct? Na? 1 by
Yes,
3
sir.
times N2. Okay. So what is the value of N2 from the equation number 1? So F2 is equal to 1 by 3. What is the value of N2? It is 3000 minus 0.5 times of P. So because from equation 1, from 1. So you can take this is equation number. Okay, you can write here again 1000 minus 0.5 divided by 3 P. So this is equation number 2. Is it understood? Equation number 2? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So again, which equation is known to you? Equation number sigma fx is equal to know. We know that sigma fx is equal to 0. What are the forces which are moving in horizontal direction? Can you tell me what are the forces which are moving in horizontal direction?
F1
F2, F1.
plus
Yes, F2 and F1. Is it plus or minus?
F1 plus
Minus.
Minus F1 minus F2 and again
P cos
plus
30.
P
yes plus
P cos
P
30.
cos 30 is equal to 0. Everybody, is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I know the value of P F1 from this equation, correct? So substitute F1 and I know the value of F2. Again substitute these two. So F1 is equal to how much? F1 is equal to minus 250 and F2 is equal to how much? F2 is equal to minus, that is 1000 minus 0.5 divided by 3 times P. So here it is plus P cos 30 is equal to 0. So I will transfer these values to the other side. That is 250 plus 1000. That is, I will keep this value as it is. P cos 30. Okay. Minus, if I open the bracket, minus into minus, it is plus. That is 0.5 by 3 P. Okay. Then this is equal to 1250. So take P common. So 1250 divided by cos 30 plus 0.5 divided by 3. Yes, calculate what is the value of P. Can you tell me?
One 1.445.
1445. All of you check it. All of you check it. What is the value?
1.10.
Yes, 1210.43.
Yes,
One
sir.
to one point
1
1 0.
1210.43. Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. If you are getting 1210 point something, okay, it's good. It's correct only. 1210 point something. Okay, this much is the answer for P. Is there any difficulty? So what equations I have used? I have used directly only sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and laws of mechanics. That is F2 by N2 is equal to coefficient of friction. Okay. You should know that whenever there is a rough surfaces, there is a friction is developed, and that friction is always opposite to the motion. Okay, take down this one. Is anybody is having any doubt?
सर
Hmm.
मेरा 1210.59 आया है सर.
Yes, okay, no problem, no problem. हाँ, 1210 तो आ गए ना? हाँ,
यस
yeah, it's okay, no problem. Is it completed?
No.
When is your UT unit test 2?
आज से
आज है ना? आज से चलो और हमारा आज है.
आज से चालू.
आज से चलो, ओके, अच्छा. Then when is our test? EM mechanics.
कल
कल.
कल है सर.
कल है,
So
sir.
what will be the portion for UT2 second chapter? Entire second unit. Okay, that is from the beams. Okay, types of beams, and again there will be problem on the beam. Okay, there will be spear. Okay, spear ka tha na, and there will be this UT will be MCQ questions. We'll see. MCQ है ना?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
And there will be friction also. Okay, you have to go through the entire friction part. Okay, there is a high chances of coming questions from the friction, because there is a lot of theory portion is there. Angle of friction, angle of repose, coefficient of friction, limiting friction, static friction, dynamic friction. So definitions are very important. So because we have to cover all those things.
सर ये भी 20 मार्क की होगी ना?
Huh?
20 marks की
yes,
होगी ना?
20 marks, 20 marks. All the UTs are 20 marks. IS पेपर करेक्शन हो गए?
अभी चेक नहीं की.
चेक नहीं किए कोई? Okay, I will also check today. If possible, I will correct all these errors.
सर सिर्फ M1 के और वो EP के मार्क्स मिले हैं हमें.
मिले क्या? हाँ हाँ. Actually, last 1 week I was not there. That's why I have not corrected your papers. So today I will correct.
Yes sir.
Yes, others, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Complete, sir.
Okay. Others, can I go for next concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So next concept is ladder friction. Ladder friction.
सर
हाँ,
आपने सेकंड चैप्टर के एमसीक्यू के नहीं दिए ना अभी पीडीएफ?
नहीं मिले क्या?
हाँ नहीं ना
Okay.
सर.
हाँ, okay. Today I will upload on then.
ओके सर.
पूरा entire second chapter आज upload करते हैं. Okay. So next one is ladder. So whenever there is a ladder, there will be some portion of the friction only.
सर यूनिट 2 के MCQs थे सर वहाँ पे.
अपलोड किया ना मैंने.
हाँ EM ना सर. हाँ
हाँ,
किया है.
EM. हाँ, EM अपलोड किया क्योंकि ISC 2 को था ना वो. अपलोड
हाँ
किया
yes
ना.
sir.
हाँ, अपलोड किया. चेक करो और एक बार. बिकॉज ISC 2 को वो था, सो मैंने अपलोड किया. मुझे याद है. फिर भी एक बार चेक करो. इन केस अपने मिलो तो देखेंगे. Okay. So this is a 3D view for the ladder. So when you consider in a 2D view, so this will be the ladder. Ladder. So again for this ladder, there will be some of the reactions. Reactions one. Okay. So this is 3D view. Okay. So this is the floor and this is the wall. So always the ladder is resting against the wall and floor. Okay. So there will be friction between the wall and ladder, and there will be friction between the floor and ladder. So the weight of this ladder will be acting at the center of the ladder. So you have to consider all the frictional forces which are acting at the floor and also which are acting at the wall. Okay, so you have to determine the value of alpha and other values also. Okay, so what are the forces? How will be the forces, that is frictional forces and also normal reaction which are acting on this ladder? You have to check it. Okay, so first of all of you draw this diagram. All of you draw this diagram. Okay, all of you concentrated at this point. So this is the point A, that is the contact point between the ladder and the floor, and the point B is the contact point between the ladder and wall. Okay, so I can take this is a point B and this is a point A. So when there is a ladder, so there is a motion also. So there is a contact point between the ladder and the floor. Okay, this point when the person climbs the ladder, the portion of the point A, is it moving towards the wall or away from the wall?
Away, sir.
Away. So when the ladder moves away from the wall, the friction is towards the left direction or towards the right direction?
उल्टी तरफ, right की तरफ
it
जाएगा.
means towards the
yes, sir.
left direction. Is it correct,
Left
everyone?
side.
Okay, the
Yes, sir.
friction will act in this direction. Friction will act in this direction, and normal reaction is exactly upward direction. Is it correct?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then at the point B, the point B, when the person climbs the ladder, the point B, is it moving upward or downward?
Downward.
Downward. When
Downward.
the point B is moving downward, the frictional force, is it in upward direction or downward direction?
Upward direction.
Frictional force is upward direction. Then normal reaction is exactly opposite. So I will take this force is I will take FA, frictional force FA. Okay, wait, I will erase this one. Okay. This is frictional force FA, and this is normal reaction NA, and this is normal reaction NB, and this is frictional force FB. All of you, are you getting why I have taken the direction in this direction only? The point B is moving away from this point, okay, wall. That's why friction is opposite, and normal reaction is exactly perpendicular to the contact surface. And point B, the point B is moving downward direction. Hence, the frictional force is opposite, that is upward direction. And normal reaction NB is exactly perpendicular to the surfaces. Everybody, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
weight of this ladder is acting at the center of the ladder. So if we consider L is the length of the ladder, then weight is acting exactly at the L by 2 and L by 2. And the inclination of this ladder is theta. In some of the problem, he will be asking what is the value of theta. Or in some of the problem, he will be asking how much force I need to provide in order to stop this motion. Okay, like this he will be asking. Okay, so all of you take down these points. I will write all these points. Okay, what is NA and B and all. Okay, so where NA and NB are normal reaction at at floor A and wall B. And Fa is the frictional force between floor and ladder. Fp is the frictional force between the wall and ladder. W is the weight of the ladder. Theta is the inclination of the ladder. Have you taken?
Yes.
All of you? Is it
Yes,
completed?
sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay, complete. लैडर को क्या बोलते हैं मराठी में? सीडी और व्हाट?
Sheet.
करेक्ट
CD.
हाँ. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं इसको? पता नहीं. I don't know. Okay, completed. Okay, अब we'll solve one problem. Okay.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
वो एक सीढ़ी रहती है ना सर, वो दोनों तरफ से रहता है, उसका क्या होगा? फ्रिक्शन उसका कैसे एक्ट करेगा?
दोनों तरफ? नो, आई एम टेकिंग बोथ साइड. इधर इधर ये बोल रहे हैं ना, इधर साइड.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, दोनों तरफ सेम ही टाइप का. इधर इधर सेम टाइप, क्योंकि द लेंथ विल बी सेम, द वेट विल बी सेम. ओके.
वो नहीं सर,
हाँ,
तब जिस पे हम दोनों तरफ से चढ़ सकते हैं सर, वो ट्रायंगल के जैसे रहते हैं ना सर, वो ट्रायंगल बनाएगा वैसे वाली.
ट्रायंगल ऐसे है. हाँ?
नहीं मतलब वो उससे दो ही रहता है, वो जमीन की तरफ से ट्रायंगल होगा उसका.
कैसे? आई एम नॉट गेटिंग कैसे रहते. ओके, आपने क्या करो, हाँ लिखो लिखो. ऐसे ट्रायंगल, हाँ ऐसे भी रहता है क्या?
नहीं हाँ ऐसी रहती है सर.
नहीं, but we are considering only this triangle, this ladder, on this ladder,
हाँ यस
and
सर.
we are considering the frictional force either and either. इसका inclination and इसका weight इधर only one type, one side का रहता. So if it is the same, then there will be same frictional force.
ओके सर.
Okay, I am considering only one type, one part. Okay, don't worry. Okay. All of you take down one problem. We'll solve one problem. A ladder of length 4 meter of length 4 meter, weighing 200 Newton, is placed against a vertical wall as shown in figure. The coefficient of friction between the wall and ladder is 0.2 and that of between floor and ladder is 0.3 In addition to self-weight, in addition to self-weight, in addition to self-weight, the ladder has to support. The ladder has to support a man weighing 600 Newton at a distance of 3 meter, at a distance of 3 meter from A. Calculate the minimum horizontal force. Calculate the minimum horizontal force to be applied at A to prevent slipping. So this is the figure which is given in the diagram. This is the ladder. This is the ladder which is resting. So this is the rough surfaces. So what is the total length of the ladder? He has given. The total length of the ladder is 4 meter. So I will take this total is, he has given this 4 meter. Okay. So he total the ladder of 4 meter length weighing 200 Newton is placed against a vertical wall as shown in the figure. The coefficient of friction is given. In addition to this self weight, a ladder has to be supported a man weighing of 600 Newton at a distance of 3 meter from A. So in the figure he has given, this is the A point. Again, from this point to this point, it is 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. So there is a man. The man weight is acting in downward direction. This is a man weight, and the self weight of the ladder is acting at the center. The self weight of the ladder is acting at the center. This is L by 2 and remaining is L by 2. Okay. So the point, this is A point and this B point. Total is 4 meter and he has given this is 3 meter man's weight. Man's weight is given 600 Newton. Okay. This is 600 Newton. 600 Newton. Then the self weight is how much? It is 200 Newton. 200 Newton is given, and inclination he has given in the figure, that is 60 degree inclination. Inclination is 60 degree. Okay, this much is. So what about this one? What is this distance? This distance will be
2 meter.
2 meter.
2 meters.
okay. Always weight of this ladder is acting at the center. Okay, so the same figure I will take the free body diagram. The free body diagram of the ladder I will take. Take down this diagram, all of you. Okay, so the point here it is A point. So this is A. This is a point A and this is a point B. This is a point B. B point. Now, when there is a resting like this, the angle of inclination is given 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay. The ladder is resting like this. In which direction there will be friction at the floor? Whether is it acting towards the A or away from the A? So consider the ladder is resting like this. Okay. Is it towards the right hand side or left hand side? Friction.
जहाँ पे
Right
डालेगा है
hand
उस तरफ.
Right
Is
hand.
it right hand side or left hand side?
Right hand side.
Right hand side.
Right hand side. Okay.
Right hand.
So the A point is moving away. It means there is a frictional force, and there will be normal reaction. And again, the point B is moving downward. That means there is a frictional force upward direction, and again there will be normal reaction. Okay, the weight is acting at this point, man's weight, and center weight of the ladder is acting at the center. Okay, these are the forces which are acting on the ladder. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will take the frictional force is Fa, and normal reaction at A point is Na, and the frictional force at B is Fb. This is Fb, and the frictional normal reaction is Nb. The weight of the man is 600 Newton, and the weight of the ladder it is 200 Newton. So the distance, this is 1 meter. Totally is already it is known. So here it is 2 meter, and remaining is will be 2 meter, and again here it is here to here it is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 2 meter is already known. Okay, this is 60 degrees known. Okay, this is the FBD of ladder. FBD of ladder. FBD of ladder. Okay, what he is asking, because of man's weight and because of the self weight of the ladder is moving downward. Okay, so we have to apply the force P in such a way that the ladder should not fall down.
Move down.
So I have to apply the force P so that the ladder should not fall down. Okay, so I will apply P in this direction. Is it correct? Okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will take, in order to find out the P at this point, I have to find out the FB and NB first. I have to find out NA and FA. Then only I will find out the value of P. Okay, up to this much have you taken? All of you?
No, sir.
Okay,
Yeah, good.
take down all of you. FBD you have to take. And he has given mu at A is equal to, and mu at B point, coefficient of friction at A against he has given the coefficient of friction between the wall and ladder. Wall and ladder means it is B point. B point is 0.2. Wall and ladder is 0.2. And again that of between the floor and ladder is 0.3. That is mu A is given 0.3. Okay, he has given.
सर
हाँ
एनबी का डायरेक्शन लेफ्ट साइड कैसे लिया वो एक्सप्लेन कीजिए ना.
See, always your normal reaction is perpendicular to the surface. Correct है ना? Perpendicular.
Yes,
See in this figure, this is a surface. Okay, the ladder is resting like this. So always there is normal reaction like this. So this is opposite direction. In case आपका figure ऐसे है तो, okay, this is 1 4 this ऐसे है तो, so this is the ladder है तो आपका direction कैसे आता था वो? So this will be the normal reaction, and here this will be the normal reaction. Always normal reaction is perpendicular to the surface. This is the surface, normal reaction is perpendicular. This is the surface, normal reaction is perpendicular. In case if you consider this is the This is the surface. Okay, this is the surface. The normal reaction is always it is in this direction, perpendicular direction. So in this figure, the wall is vertical. Okay, that's why normal reaction is exactly perpendicular. Here, no, wall is horizontal. Well, normal reaction is exactly perpendicular. Clear? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
हाँ
4 मीटर क्यों नहीं लिया?
हाँ okay, I mean, you can take that also. Okay, I said इधर already लिखा था मैंने. That's why I have not written here. You can write that also. Okay. 4 meter is total length of the ladder. Correct?
Ladder.
Okay, you can take that also. Here already it is there. That's why I have not taken. That's all. Okay. So can I start solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, in order to find out the p value, first I have to find out FA and NA. So I don't know FA and NA. So I have to calculate the FB and NB first. Okay. How to calculate the FB and NB? There is a relation between the FB and NB, that is coefficient of friction. Okay. From that coefficient of friction, you can calculate the FB and NB. But one equation and another equation I have to calculate, that is moment about A equal to 0. So all of you consider. So taking moment about A, taking moment about A, that is summation of moment about a point A is equal to 0. Okay, fix this point, A point. Okay, fix karke. So apply the moment equation. So what are all the forces which are acting on the figure? So first I will consider NB. Okay, so consider there is no any other forces. Only NB is acting. When NB is acting, this ladder is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise, the moment is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. What is moment? What is moment? Formula? Force into perpendicular. Force is this is NB. What is the perpendicular distance between A to B? Okay, I want this one.
4 meter.
No, 4 meter is inclined length. 4 meter is inclined length. I want the length of vertical length. Okay, from this point to this point I want. If you know the total length is 4 meter. 4 meter is total length. I want vertical length.
2 meter.
2 meter.
Sin theta लेना.
Yes, sin theta.
Sin
See,
theta.
what is sin theta here? What is sin theta?
B.
Sin 60 is equal to this is vertical. I will take this is small l, vertical divided by hypotenuse. Correct? Hai na? So this is
Yes.
4 meter. So L is equal to 4 sin 60. Is it barabar, everyone? If I take L is the vertical distance, that is L divided by 4. So L is equal to 4 sin 60. All of you, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have to take moment about point A, NB force. So minus NB is the force into perpendicular distance is 4 into sin 60 into sin 60. Next, FB is moving upward direction. This FB is rotating the ladder in clockwise or anti-clockwise? Hello? Anti-clockwise. Okay,
Anti-clockwise.
that is also minus. FB is the force. So now I want FB means horizontal length. Horizontal length means how much? Horizontal length I want from this point to this point. Cos theta. 4 cos theta you have to take. So FB into 4 into cos 60. All of you, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, this
Yes, sir.
600 Newton is acting downward, and this is rotating the ladder in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
So plus. So
Plus.
force is 600 Newton. Then the length between the A to man is 3 meter. 3 meter from this point to that is inclined length. I want the horizontal length. So horizontal length is 3 cos 60. All of you,
Yes.
the length will be
Yes.
3
Yes, sir.
cos
Cos 60.
60. Then weight of the ladder is acting at the center. Okay, that is also producing clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation? Clockwise. So it is plus. What is the weight? 200.
200.
This is acting at the center of the ladder. The center of the ladder is 2 meter. That is inclined length. but I want a horizontal length. That is 2
cos
cos
Into cos
60. 2
60.
cos 60. So this is equal to 0. Everybody, is it understood this equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you solve this one, 3.464 NB plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 into 4. That is equal to 2 times of B, 2 times of FB. I will transfer this minus to the other side. This minus to the other side. This is equal to. So remaining is, so when you calculate this one, you will get 1100. You will get 1100. 1100. So I will take this is equation number 1. Okay. So another equation from laws of mechanics. From laws of mechanics. Yeah, mu is equal to mu at B is equal to FB upon NB. Is it correct, all of you? So FB
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to friction at point B is equal to mu B into NB. So mu at B is given, that is 0.2. That is 0.2 times of NB. So substitute this equation in equation number 1. So substitute in equation number 1. So 3.464 NB plus 2 into 0.2, that is 0.4. You can write that is 2 into 0.2 times of NB is equal to 1100. So can you calculate the value of NB? So when you solve this one, you will get NB is equal to 284.68 Newton. Okay, so substitute this in. I will take this as equation number 2. So substitute in equation number 2. So when you substitute equation number 2, I will get the value of FB is equal to can you calculate 0.2 times of this 284, that will be 56.93 Newton. 93 Newton. So everybody, is it understood? All of you are getting same answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is 1 and I got the value of NB and FB I got. So next I have to find out the value of FB and FB. It's all the time up. So just a minute, you will come to. So apply, I want to find out the value of NA first. So NA find out करने के लिए which equation will you apply? Which equation will you apply? To find the value of NA, it is sigma Fy is equal to 0. So sigma Fy is equal to 0. Total. Can you tell me what are the vertical moving forces? So plus NA
minus 200 minus
minus 200 minus 600
FB
600
plus
plus
FB
FB is equal to 0. So NA is equal to 200 plus 600, it is 800. I will transfer minus FB. What is FB value? 56 point something. So 56.93. So I will get the value of NA. Can you tell me what is the value of NA? 743.
743.07.
0.06 or 07. Okay, 06 or 07. Okay, this you know. So again, we know that I want to find out the mu A. Mu A is equal to FA upon NA. Correct, enough? Coefficient of friction. So I want to find out the value of FA. FA is equal to mu A into NA. So what is the value of mu A? Mu A is given, that is 0.3. So that is 0.3 into what is the value of NA? NA is equal to 743.06. So you will get the value of FA. FA is equal to, yes, can you tell me?
2.9.
Yes, it is 222.9 2. Okay, 92 Newton. So this is the value of Fa. Okay, next. So you have to find out the value of P. So how to find out the value of P? So just I will take here only. In order to find out the value of P, so sigma, which equation will you apply in order to find out the value of P? Sigma fx. Sigma fx is equal to. So
sigma fx.
you have to write one sentence there. Okay, that is additional force applied at A. Additional force was applied at A to prevent the slipping. To prevent the slipping. B P. Okay, this P I have to find out. So sigma fx is equal to 0. Sigma fx is equal to 0. Okay, so apply sigma fx is equal to 0. Okay, what are the forces? That is P. P is moving
P.
positive direction. That is plus P. Plus
Minus
P.
NB.
Okay, minus FB. Minus
NB.
NB minus NB minus NB. Next,
Plus
FA
FA.
plus FA
Plus.
plus FA plus FA. Next, is there any other forces? Only 3 forces. Plus P
3 forces.
minus NB and plus FA is equal to 0. I have to get the value of equal to 0. So P is equal to substitute the value of NB and substitute the value of FA. You know FA, you know NB. So substitute, you will get the value of P is equal to 61.76 Newton. So this is the final value for the value of P you will get. Okay, so this is the value of P. Okay, 61.76. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt? Okay, so all of you take the screenshot of this one. Okay, you have to write this in your notebook and you have to come for the next class.
सर
हाँ.
वो थीटा 60 आपने क्वेश्चन में दिया है, वो डायग्राम में था.
No, he has given in the diagram. 60.
Okay.
All of you take down the figure screenshot. Okay, take down the screenshot. I'll take the attendance now very fast. $19. $41. $57.
Sir, 43 present.
Okay. Okay, absent numbers 19, 41, 57. 19, 41, 57. These are the absent numbers. Okay, have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So we'll stop now. We'll continue in the next class. So all of you solve this one. Substitute the value of NB and FA. You will get the value of 61.76. Okay, we'll stop now. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, thank you all.
ये सर वही आता है सर.
Okay, fine.